Get your glow sticks out, we're about to rave. What's up everybody, Lucas here. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to shuffle, and you can learn this in only 5 minutes. All you have to do is follow along with me in this video. By the end of the video, you'll have this down, you'll be able to shuffle up to speed. So let's get started right away. Stand on up. Now I have on the ground 3 little markers here, a front, center, and a back, right? So that's basically how this simple shuffle step is gonna take place, the running man. Put one foot out in front of the other. It doesn't have to be dramatic like this. It can just be like a little step. We'll start with our left, okay? Right foot in the back. Now what I want you to do is you're gonna bring the left foot in and right foot up like this, okay? So in, up, do that with me. In, up, good. Now I want you to hop with your body and bring this in and up like this. Do it, ready? Do it. Okay, now from here, stay right here, stay with me, hold it. What I want you to do is I want you to put your right foot down in front, and I want you to hop and slide your left foot back. Okay, now go back, right foot up, hop. Go back, up, hop. Good. Go back, just get used to hopping and sliding, okay? Hop. Awesome. Okay, so start again. Left foot out front, right foot in the back. Hop and slide. Hop. Right foot up, right foot down, slide. Start with the right foot out front. What I want you to do is I want you to slide the right foot in, left foot up. Restart, slide, up. Restart, slide, up. Good. Now what I want you to do is hop and up, just like that. Redo it. Hop and up, do it with me, good. Hop and up, good. Now hop and up, hold it. Now what I want you to do is put the right foot down, slide the left back. Resume, right foot down, left foot back. Now do it at the same time. So hop, resume, hop. Look at a Karate Kid. Resume, hop. So now start, right foot out front, left foot in the back, hop up, bring your left foot up like this, right foot to the center, right foot back, left foot down, hop, good. Restart, right foot out front, left foot in the back, hop, start, good. Now, I want you to start with your left foot in the front. We're gonna run through a complete cycle. The foot that's in the back is the one that comes up and bends, okay? Remember that. So, right foot from the back comes up, bends, left foot comes in. Right foot down the front, slide the left foot back. Now, up, back. Now, most dance music is in 4/4 time. You basically have the bass hitting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the standard running man shuffle, you actually want to break 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 pieces. So what we do is between the 1 and the 2, we say and. So it sounds like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So for the running man, each and every step out is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. The and is actually always in the middle when you have either this foot up or this foot up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Have our left foot up in the center, right foot on the ground. Start like this, and then right foot slide to the back, left foot in the front, and then start doing the running man with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Speed up. 2, 3, 4. Speed up. 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on, speed up. Fast. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, done. Cool. Nice job. kind of. Hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. You know, I guarantee you'd get this better than me because I'm a pretty crappy dancer. You guys out there, I see some of you guys are really good. So let me know if this helped you out. Let me know if you got it. Let me know if you want some more tutorials. Also, don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out, more tutorials, etc. Peace. You all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.